Hello, everyone. It is May the 23rd, still in the United States of America. What I'm going to talk to you today about is very, very serious. Mueller and the people that are a part of this coup to overthrow President Trump have dealt a serious, serious blow to the president. Let me explain. You're all aware, I hope, of the federal prosecutor in the New York district that is going after President Trump's attorney or old attorney, Cohen. They're prosecuting him in New York. That's where this judge was, federal judge, that saw through this charade, and he told Mueller and his crowd, and he told the prosecutor that his court was not going to be used as a fishing expedition to help Mueller come up with something against Trump. Bottom line, what he's talking about is because of this investigation by the New York prosecutor, they want to go through all of his financial records, all of his dealings, probably since the day he was born. Well, what this judge did is this judge, and I'm putting it in simple terms, the judge said, no, here's what I'm going to do. You're going to give me all of the records, and I will go through the records, and I will determine which documents, etc., will be allowed. And only the documents connected to the charges against Cohen will be allowed. So in other words, you're not going to be able to go through Cohen stuff and find something he did with somebody else 10 years ago and go after him. This judge is actually standing for the law, and I praise him for that. So when we think we've got a good lick going, we hear of a new surprise. Apparently, the attorney Cohen had some business dealings with a pseudo partner. I don't know if they were officially partners, but they were in partnership over some business. Somebody, I think, referred to it as some cab business. I may be wrong. But what they're doing is they're going after Cohen and his partner. Right now, they're going after his partner, but get this, folks, in a state court. In a state court. What does that mean? That means that the state prosecutor going after Cohen's partner, as I'm told, if he is found guilty, if he was found guilty of the crime to which they're investigating, Cohen's partner is facing 25 years in prison. So they're going to offer him, if you know how the system works, they're going to offer him immunity if he will flip on Cohen. Then Mueller will once again be able to take whatever dirt they can dig up in that state case against Cohen and his partner. They'll be able to review all the files and stuff, and once again, Mueller's back into fishing, but he's doing it through the state court. Now, guys, this is about as low and as dirty a trick as you're ever going to see, ever. But I can tell you the reason Mueller was put on this case in the first place, the reason he brought in his team of incredibly politically biased attorneys to help him, because they've been hired. Don't ever doubt it. Mueller has been hired to get something on Trump so that he is impeached. And they will leave no stone unturned, and there'll be no trick that they'll fail to use if they have to get our president and to force him to be impeached. So I tell everybody that hears my voice, you need to watch the development on the state court or the state charges against Cohen's partner and him, because that is a pathway that Mueller has to dig into stuff he has no business digging into in an attempt to destroy Donald Trump. And by the way, he's also digging in to everybody, such as Sean Hannity, who had business dealings with Cohen. Anybody that touched Cohen is in jeopardy when all of Cohen's records are being gone through. So guys, I'm telling you, it's a bad day for the United States of America. And once again, I repeat something I have said over and over, but I'll say it again. As long as what we're seeing is in reality two standards of law, the establishment, the elite, whatever you want to call them, they have a set of laws, and all the rest of us, we have a set of laws. As long as there are two standards of law in America, we're not America. We are not the nation that we are supposed to be. So I would suggest you talk to people you know. Forgive my dog for barking, but talk to the people you know. When the occasion arises, don't go jumping in people's faces. Look, guys, we've got to spread the word. We've got to get people to engage and help us in this country. So when the occasion arises, I do hope that you will point out to people that ask the trouble we are in America and how we are right now, not in the future, right now. We're not the country we all think we're in. With that, I'll talk again to you soon. Thank you.